guys, in front of me is OPPO Find X3 Neo, and let me show you how to add photo to contact on this device. At first, open your phone gallery. Then go to contacts if you are not in this panel, and mark the contact that you wish to add this profile picture to. Select Edit and tap on Add Picture. Here you can select the source from which you want to pick it. It can be your device, Google Photos or illustrations. I will go with my gallery. Let me just go back and enter it again. And now just pick the picture that you want to apply. In my case, it is this one. Then you can, I will do it one more time. Then you can crop it however you like. And then tap on Choose. Save to apply the change. And that's it, that will be all. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.